Hey, today we got a big task ahead of us. Our land is a little bit overgrown with blackberries. If you live in Oregon, you know the struggle. They're an invasive species and we need them to be gone. Stay tuned. Looking forward to sharing this day with you.
Alright, so here is the property we live on. You can see it's an old Christmas tree farm that has been let go. Lots of brush and unwanted weeds. As we pan over here, you'll start to see some blackberries and just overgrowth that is not healthy for the land. We want to kind of start over, and there's a lot of mulch we would like to get rid of. So here is the beginning. So here's my first attempt. You can see I'm still figuring out the depth of the mulcher. It is a friend's mulcher. It's a cat, and actually a cat mulcher as well. Does an excellent job. Highly recommended. And you can see it's just up and down, kind of figuring out where the mulcher head was. And here I'm working, and my oldest son, Moses, 10 years old, he is running our ASV. I would definitely say he's actually better than me already at running this piece of equipment. He does such an excellent job and is very responsible for operating such a large piece of equipment. Here's an example of why to stay clear of this piece of equipment. You can see it launches stuff everywhere and it's very dangerous. Keep your distance. And it just got too hot, so we all stopped and had to take a little water break. Here's Mercy, just loving the water.
Okay, so job is done. It was really dusty today, and so feel bad we have a lot of houses across the street. It used to be a bunch of country land and turned into houses, so they got some dust today, to say in the least. And so did all of us. We got all sorts of dust everywhere. Just got a shower, and so back to feeling good. Let me show you. I'm gonna turn the camera and show you what the property looks like now. So this is this mulch pile. It is very large and it goes way back. So what we did is when we mulched everything, we pushed it with our skid steer, this one, over into this pile. And this is great because this, you can turn this into a lot of things. Compost, if you start adding things to it, filler, just always good to have a pile of extra like wood chip and dirt because you can always use it. And so that will sit there probably for a few years. Alright guys, so that's it. Thanks for joining us today. It was a lot of work, but we got it done. And so now we don't have to do this for If you are looking at what equipment to buy for your farm or homestead, I highly recommend a skid steer. It's pretty much the jack of all trades. You can do anything and everything with it. And, very useful, very handy. And man, kids love to operate it. My son absolutely loves it, although he loves riding the tractor too. So, well, you guys have an absolutely blessed day. So thankful for God's word this morning. Just spoke to my heart about planting seed. The sower went and sowed forth seed in God's word and how it was received. And I just encourage you guys to be good soil. There's a plane going over our head. Be good soil, receive the word, and let it grow, that you may bear much fruit in your life. All right, you guys have a blessed evening, and we'll see you next time.